Hello everyone, welcome to this month's mystery reveal. I will be showing you the May 2022 mystery. This is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. These have already shipped, so if you sign up for next month, you will get whole new art, which I'll show y'all next month, which is gorgeous. This year's lineup is beautiful. So if you're looking for this and you're not subscribed, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group, which I always link down below along with the date for next month's mystery openings. But let's go ahead and get into this kit. I will show you the ultimate first, and I am so excited. I am going to use this, I think, in June. It gives me either June or August vibes, but here it is, and it is like a really nice like neutral tone lake house kit, and these scenes are beyond gorgeous. I love the dog in this. I love the food, the outfits, and then the foil is super neutral, and you can pair it either with this kit. I think would be gorgeous. Like I feel a silver vibe with this. Or you could save it and use it with a different kit and pull in some different foil. But let's go over these full boxes. I want to make sure I get y'all some close-ups because they are so beautiful. Such a vibe. Like, don't you want to be there right now? It looks so comfy, cozy, and beautiful. It's just so pretty. So this is the May 2022 mystery, and like I said, it is a lake house kind of vibes set. You have a girl here with a fishing pole, which I think is so cute, and these really beautiful neutral tones. You have a like peachy, like a muted peach, a muted nude, this like lighter sand color, and then the navy, and I just think this is beyond gorgeous. Like I said, I do have a silver foil bundle paired with it, but I think that this would be really pretty with rose or a navy foil or matte bronze, regular gold, a mixed metal moment. It's just, there's a lot of options. You have like the waves as the bottom washi, the extra box here, which is the wine, the fruit, and the wine glass. You have two extra fashion boxes on this page and the extra color, which is a light blue. And then you have more fashion boxes here, as well as another flat lay of the bathing suit with the 15mm strip. And I am just obsessed. I think I will be using silver with it, but I think that my second choice, like thinking about it more, would be matte bronze. I think it would be really pretty as well. But honestly, I'm just on a matte bronze kick, so I think that everything would look good with matte bronze. But let me know in the comments down below if you're going to pair it with the silver that it comes with, or if you're going to bring in another foil, and if so, which foil. I'd love to know. But let's go through this foil bundle. This is in the newer sparkle format, which y'all have been loving. It's like a really nice neutral, like a neutral design that you can use with so many different things. So you have your 6 full boxes and the glitter header overlays. You get 2 pages of those, 2 pages of the bougie boxes. You have the the icons and the scripts, as well as the fancy headers, the deco, the date numbers, and the 15mm strip. Like I said, you could either use this with this set or use it with another one if you prefer a different pairing, but I am obsessed. I think it's so beautiful, and like I said, it is exclusive art, and I cannot wait to use this summer, or maybe even the end of summer. I don't know. It's kind of giving me either spring summer transition or summer fall, like in maybe the first week of September, the last week of August. I think that'd be perfect. Or if you have like a lake house trip planned, but for me, I don't really like necessarily need to have like the exact scenario to use the kit. I just think it's really pretty, and I have been loving this artist, so love that. And let's go over the mini kit. This is the more affordable option for sure. So you do have the full boxes, you have the same deco page, the same glitter header page, which I will note that this is the old format. This is the May mystery. May, June, and August are in the old format. July I hadn't had done before August, so July will actually be the new format, but August has some cool extras I'm really excited about. So, and like kind of like something different. So I'm really excited about that. You have the mini kit, and then the mini kit page, the bottom washi, and then the label, sampler, extra color, and extra fashion options. And then you also do have the matte foiled freebie in the mini kit. So that is everything for this month. I am super excited to use this. I have just been like, every time a mystery like comes in, I just like slot it right into my lineup, and the past few months, like it makes it hard because that's like one kit a month that I know for sure I'm going to use. So I hope y'all love this month's mystery. Next month is a completely different vibe. It's Kittenish dress art, and I think it's Kirsten's favorite of this year so far because she doesn't stop talking about it. But I hope that y'all love this, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!